The key to optimizing your workshop with stone grinder machines is to create a streamlined and efficient production process. The upkeep and maintenance of your stone grinder machines is essential to ensure their longevity and reliability. Investing in the training and skill development of your machine operators can lead to improved productivity and reduced downtime. By implementing cost-effective strategies for your stone grinding operations, you can reduce expenses, increase profitability. Finally, choosing the right stone grinder machines and polishing machines is crucial for optimizing your workshop and achieving the highest possible quality and efficiency.